Vande Mataram friends. Today we are going to learn about closure time of when, as soon as, no sooner and hardly. This topic is for both the standard 11th and 12th. So first of all, see that when the present tense is available here, if in present tense in the first sentence, if the present tense is given, then second sentence we have to use present tense. Another thing is that with when, suppose we use past tense, then the same thing we have to use past tense. The same thing, as soon as plus present tense, and after that present tense. As soon as past tense plus past tense. Suppose we are going to understand the present tense, then after that we have to write it down present tense. And suppose the past tense is given there, then we have to use past tense. The same thing is that no sooner. In no sooner, suppose the first sentence is about present tense, at that time we have to use do or does. After subject V1 as a conjunction we can use here then, and after that present tense. And suppose about past tense, then no sooner did plus subject plus V1 then plus past tense. And hardly had. When we use hardly had, that means we are going to use here simple present perfect tense. That means present perfect tense. Subject, after that V3 form, past participle as a conjunction when, and then present tense. And hardly plus past perfect tense as a conjunction when, and then past tense. So when we are going to write, first of all, the first sentence is present tense, after that it is necessary to use present tense. And suppose the first sentence is about past tense, then we have to write past tense. So we try to understand that. Here, first of all, the first example is about present tense. Now, how we can use of present tense and how we can use of adverb clause time, all the things, when, as soon as, no sooner and hardly. Suppose, see that the teacher comes, the students stand up. So here comes is V1, that is simple present tense. That is why we use the students stand up. So stand up is also present tense. So now we are going to use when. So how can we make the sentence of when? So first of all, see that it may be asked in the exam, the teacher comes, the students stand up. Use when. Okay? Use when. So at that time, first of all, write it down here. When we use first, when the teacher comes, comma, the students stand up. Okay, we use here when present tense, the same thing is present tense. Suppose now we have to use as soon as. So how can we make the sentence? First of all, when is given here, so you remove when and write it down as soon as. What is subject here? The teacher comes, comma, the students stand up. Okay? Full point. So we make here, the first sentence is about when and another is as soon as. Now the third one, we use no sooner. Suppose as soon as the teacher comes, the students stand up, and it may be asked in exam, use no sooner. No sooner. At that time, first of all, as soon as given here, so you remove as soon as and write it down no sooner. After that, first of all, we have to focus on the tenses. So which tenses use here? Simple present tense. Means this structure we can use no sooner now. The teacher is third person singular. So what we use here? No sooner do, yeah, no sooner does. Teacher means does. So no sooner does. After that subject, what is subject here? The teacher. So no sooner does the teacher. What is right here? V1. So here is given third person singular with verb S is given here. So we have to remove S and write it down V1. That is come. Okay. So no sooner does the teacher come. Which conjunction is used here? Then. So first of all, write it down. Then. So the first sentence is over here. As soon as the teacher comes. So no sooner does the teacher come. Comma is given here. So remove comma and write it down. Then. After that, the students stand up. So you write it down the same sentence. The students stand up. Okay. Now, it may be possible that this sentence is given and it will be asked that use hardly. Now, when it will be asked use hardly, so at that time you see that which tense is used here. So does is given here, so simple present tense. Comes is given, simple present tense. Okay, comes is given, the simple present tense. Now we are going to use hardly and hardly with present tense. That means when we use hardly, at that time we use present perfect tense. So first of all, the same thing is that remove no sooner and write here hardly. Okay. When remove, use as soon as remove, no sooner remove, hardly. After that, present tense is given. So what is the structure of hardly? Hardly, have or has. So what is the subject here? Teacher. So teacher, he, yes, she, you can say that. So he has, yes, she has. So what we write here? Hardly has. So hardly has. What is subject? Do, does, remove. What is subject? The teacher. So hardly has the teacher. Now, hardly plus has plus subject plus V3 form. So we are going to write here V3 form of come. So come, can, come. So hardly has the teacher come. So sentence is over. Now we use when as a conjunction and remove that. After the same thing, the students stand up. We should not change the second sentence. Okay, so I hope that all of you got the point. Now, if you are not understand this one, now see the second example here. The sun rises, he gets up. So which tense is used here? Simple present tense. Now we are going to use when. So when the sun rises, comma, he gets up. So what we do here? we just write it down when, and the same thing is there. Now, as soon as we are going to use as soon as, so first of all, write it down as soon as. So at that time you remove when. So as soon as the sun rises, he gets up. Okay? So here you can see that we use simple present tense using as soon as. Now we completed when sentence, now we completed about as soon as. Now we are going to use no sooner. So first of all, when we use no sooner, remove as soon as and write it down. No sooner. Now, which tense is used here? Simple present tense. What is the subject? Sun. So it. So no sooner do ya does, it does. So does. We use for sun here does. So no sooner does, what is the subject here? The sun. So write it down, sun and V1. So no sooner does the sun rise. The first sentence is over and we use as a conjunction THAN then. So no sooner does. Why we use does here? The subject is sun. He, she or it. Third person singular. That is why we use here does. So no sooner does the sun rise than he gets up. Gets up. We should not change the second sentence. Now, see that hardly. So, first of all, write it down here. Hardly. Remove no sooner. Now does is given. Simple present tense is given. The sun is given. So the sun, third person singular it. So we use here has. He has, she has, and it has. So hardly has the sun. Hardly has the sun. Now we use here present perfect tense. See that hardly has plus subject plus V3 form. So what is the V3 form of rise? Rise, rose, risen. So hardly has the sun risen. Yeah, you can say the risen. Hardly has the sun risen. As a conjunction we use here then. He gets up. Now dear friends, you can see that first of all I use here hardly, after that have has, then subject, then V3 form, then as a conjunction then, sorry, here we use when. So when, and after that simple present tense. Okay, so this example is about simple present tense. After that we learn that how we can use simple past tense. Now we are going to learn today about the past tense of using when, as soon as, no sooner and hardly. Before that we discuss about only the present tense of using when, as soon as, no sooner and hardly. Now say that, dear friends, the policeman came, the thief ran away. So which tense is used here? Simple past tense. Now we are going to use when. So first of all write it down. When the policeman came,
comma, the thief ran away. The same thing we use as soon as. When we use as soon as we remove when. So when as soon as the policeman came, comma, the thief ran away. So you see that we use when or as soon as, and we cannot change another thing. But when we use no sooner, at that time it is necessary to remember the structure of no sooner. So here you can see that no sooner plus did plus subject plus V1 plus then plus past tense. So now you already got the point that this sentence is about the past tense. So whenever you are going to use no sooner, first of all, when is given there, then remove. As soon as given there, then remove and write it down. No sooner. After that, which tense is used? Past tense. What is subject? Police. So here we can use no sooner did. What is subject? The policeman. So no sooner did the policeman. See that no sooner did the policeman. So what is V1 of came? That is come. Now we cannot use here as, because did is given here. When do, does or did is given in the sentence, at that time we have to use V1. So don't write S or ES form. So no sooner did the policeman come, then is conjunction, then the thief ran away. We should not change the second sentence. Now we use hardly. So first of all, use here hardly instead of when, as soon as, no sooner. Hardly, past tense is given here. So hardly had, what is subject? The policeman now come. So we use here V3 form of the verb. So come, came, come. So V3 form of come is come. As a conjunction, when the thief ran away. Did you get my point? If you understand, then we see the another example. See that I switched on TV, my father shouted me. Means when I switch on TV, my father shouted me. The first action is over here. After that, another action is immediately start. So we use here when. So how can we make the sentence? When I switch on TV, comma, my father shouted at me. So past tense is used here. So use only past tense. Now you can make yourself using as soon as. So as soon as I switch on TV, comma, my father shouted at me. Now see that we are going to use here no sooner. So how can we make how can we make the sentence using no sooner? So first of all, remove when, remove as soon as, and write here no sooner. Now past tense is given here, so we write here no sooner did. What is subject? I. So switch off. So we use here V1 of switched off. So no sooner did I switch on, switch on. V1 we can use here. So no sooner did I switch on TV as a conjunction, no sooner than, no sooner than. So no sooner did I switch on TV than my father shouted at me. Okay, when you use no sooner, so don't forget to use conjunction then. No sooner than, hardly had when, no sooner than, hardly when, no sooner than, hardly when. Okay, now the last sentence, use hardly. Past tense is given here, so hardly had. What is subject? I. So now hardly had subject plus V3. So what is V3 form of switch? Switched. The hardly had I switched on TV when my father shouted at me. So dear friends, you can make like this.
Friends, here exercise is given. The 5 sentences about present tense and the 5 sentences about past tense. Now you are going to make using when, as soon as, no sooner and hardly. So you have to make 4 answer of sentence. So 4-1, 4-1, 4-1, 4-1 and 4-1. That means 20 sentences you can make here, and the same thing is that 20 sentences you can make here. So there are about 40 sentences you are going to write the answer.